Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this video I'm going to talk about the latest software update, size and features in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. Yes friends, just today only the OnePlus Nord 2 did receive the latest software update, and in this video I'm trying to explain what is the size of the update and what are the features it did include in this OnePlus Nord 2 as well. And the date I did receive the update is 7th December, as you can see exactly. And the time is about close to midnight, 12:31, as you can clearly see friends, 12:31. So that of making a video on this particular topic and then sleeping after recording, editing and uploading. So make sure to hit that like friends, and also do support me by subscribing to my channel. And let me just show you exactly what is the software update size and features which it did include in this device. So right now, as you can see, this is the latest software update version 8.14. And with this we do have the optimized system stability. So this is very small update only. There's no information about the security patch and all those details, but the size is about close to 181 MB. But currently the phone is running November security patch update, as you can see exactly. So right now it's December, so there's nothing much change in terms of the security patch. Let me go to software update and let me click download. And I just want to inform you friends, this update size is about close to 181 MB. Let's see friends how long the phone gonna take completely install this latest update. And right now it's asking for the reboot, and you can see the battery percentage is about 79%. So always keep the battery percentage more than 30%, or maybe at least minimum try to maintain 30%. That will be really good. So let's see how much more time the phone gonna take to completely install this process in the OnePlus Nord 2. So this is a thing which I did like in the OnePlus phones, that all the users will be receiving on the same day at same time. That's fantastic friends. So it's really great to see this kind of really same consistent level of updates which I'm getting in the OnePlus Nord 2. Not only in the OnePlus Nord 2, even in other OnePlus phones as well. Basically, I do have the OnePlus 8T and other smartphones, OnePlus devices. So updates wise, it's damn pretty good on the same day updates only, unlike other Realme and iQOO phones. And right now it's going on. So it says about 3 minutes of time, but the percentage seems to be kind of going very fast. Let's see how much more time this phone gonna take to install. So it says about 1 minute of time. So it's kind of updating. Let's see how much more time the phone gonna take to update. And right now, within 1 minute of time, the complete update I think finished. So I just want to show you friends this kind of time taken as well, because few of the users, they want to know so much time usually takes. That's the reason I'm trying to spend my time in showing to you. And meanwhile, I'll definitely do the testing on this. What is this system stability mean in this OnePlus Nord 2 regarding the update? How is the performance and how is the RAM management, other aspects of this device? Is it got improved or not in this phone? So definitely I'll try to focus on those few details. So make sure to stay tuned to my channel by subscribing to my channel. So I can just kind of booting up. As soon as I see the lock screen, then I'll try to stop the stopwatch. So you can see the logo still going on, and finally we got the yes. So within 2 minutes of time, the complete OnePlus Nord 2 install the latest update in this device. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile signing off. I think that right now the time is over close to 12:37. So definitely friends, I need to sleep right now after editing this video, because in the morning I won't wake up early. That's kind of I think. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile signing off. Bye.